Hello, everyone, and welcome to this Charts and Beers session live here from Pro Traders Launch. We got Trader R, Eunice, H. Paul here. How's everyone doing, guys?
Good, man.
Very good,
Hello.
thank you.
Very good.
Nice. Let us know, please, if you can hear and see us in the chat, either in our Discord or here on YouTube. So how this goes, we will go over Bitcoin. We'll cover Bitcoin, where we came from, where we're going, and where we think it will head next. And then we will go over to our Discord, and you will be able to jump on the stage with us and have a chat. So we'll have some fun inside the Discord. So if you're new here, there's a link in the description. Go down there, click on it, join our Discord, check out some awesome trades and ideas with us. Again, here we are doing paper trading. This is for educational purposes only, so make sure you pause and check the disclaimer. Thank you, Shelby, for letting us know that audio is good. And Greg, welcome everyone here.
All right, so better start with me.
Yeah, let's go, Trader R.
I poured my pint and it's overflown. The head on this is absolutely terrible. But hold on, I just
Are you talking about Course Light?
No. I actually got Heineken today, so
real beer, nice one, man.
I had enough of that over the week. But yeah, all right, let's go. So let's go. I'm gonna go over what happened because I can't remember the last time I was on. I don't read. Oh, as well. So my connection where I am right now isn't the best, so it might go blurry or in and out. It's just where I am right now is not the best spot. But let's go anyways. Where was it? I'm going to start off with what we had from back here because I think this was around the time I was in the last Charts and Beards. Pretty much everyone seeing the high, we had the extension. Look at how perfect this was. We had this extension up here and look at this. 0.5. If you know from the TR Pocket module that I did, the main target on the extension, if you took the short up there, it's the 0.5 and you don't go any further. You get your take profit here and you get your take profit on the other TR Pocket. But this is the main target. I kind of wanted to go over that because that is just, it worked out too nicely. And of course you had that upsloping channel and you're breaking down. But from here, I remember I was going over here and I was saying the next place I was looking for, then my next trade long, was on this 0.5, and there was also a TR previous close session. This is where it was. So we're looking at this TR pocket from this range low to this range high. And you remember the 0.5. That was the main reason I was going for it, because the 0.5 is the main target of the extension. And whenever that happens and you hit that 0.5, you do tend to get a reversal, a nice reversal off it. And to be fair, you did get a nice little change. You went into VAL of these two range pulls. And they give you what, like a 4% move? Yeah, in up again. So this brings us to our local range of where we were. I think what the local setup was. I was looking for two things on this, in this range, because it was pre-mature at the time. I was thinking, okay, I get a short from up here, but as long as the range went like this, it gave us this kind of indication that we could come down, because you had that double bottom liquidity, and usually they tend as magnets to pull the price down. As the price went along, I was saying, look, it's more clear that we're probably going to break down instead of breaking up, because this is, at the time, this was an overcrowded trade. I think everybody was looking for that short. So best thing is just break down. And we had, once we came down, we had a Bifinex wick. I was saying, once that fills, I'm going for a long. And that's pretty much it. We went for that, took that trade, and now we're back to where we were. What do I think is going on now? See, I was actually looking at this just there a few seconds ago, and I just realized we do have equal highs up here again, you know. So if you look at it, you have a shoulder here and you have a shoulder here. You have equal highs. Why not come up and swipe them out, you know? So I'm looking for our head and shoulders. Bit of a fake out. It has the potential. Of course, these head and shoulders can play out, like they do play out every now and then, but the best thing to go for is that head and shoulders fake out. It's taking out these highs and running up and coming back down higher low. I do like the idea of coming down and putting in a higher low as well, because then you can come back up. If you put in double higher lows or double lower highs, you have a bigger move in that direction. So the idea really is to put in a double higher low before moving up. And Yunus, I don't know if he's going to be showing the fractal, has a really nice fractal for that idea too, to back that up. Also, I kind of wanted to go over as well. I did an update on Twitter. We had monthly pivots. The average time on them we kicked in, we hit them in the first 4 days, which is brilliant. But you have to remember as well, we have quarterly pivots still above us. I'm not going to go over the rest of them because these quarterly pivots are in this pretty much the range that we have, this local high and the local low. You do have these quarterly pivots still up there, and you can't forget that they're there. The average, actually, I'm not going to give that away. So yeah, these could get hit the first 2-3 months, first 2 months mainly. Mainly the first month really. But yeah, you can't ignore them. Over the weeks, I've traded Bitcoin a little bit, but I've been trading more on the Forex and the commodities. Like gold, we had a short on gold here, and I was saying I closed out 50% here on TP1. Of course it came up, stopped me out. I'm happy with it. It was a really good trade. Came down and took that low. It was perfection really. But I will be keeping an eye on this again for if I can get a second trade short on it. Mainly if we swing fail the highs, because it's in that zone. But I did get a nice trade off it the first time around. I'm going to just keep an eye on it. I'm not too interested in it, but I will keep an eye on it. And a lot of these coins, if you've noticed, all of them nearly bounced off of the TR pocket. So like, if you haven't never traded Forex before, I'm just saying now, I will be trading Forex a lot more, because I went through all the Forex markets, and I've went through tons. These are the main ones that have been more respected with the TR pocket. If you can just see, beforehand I went through them, it took me about a week, and these are the most respected ones. And you can just see from today, we literally, and the day before, 2 days ago, we have literally bounced right off of them. Like, these are just the perfect examples of how to trade the Forex market with something you already know. This was a play I gave out yesterday, or was it the day before, on the Euro, Japanese yen. 2.5% move. Like, these are big moves in the Forex market. Like, you can make a lot of money off of this. And then it's silver as well. I gave this out yesterday. TR pocket to the 0.5. 3% move, you know. So if you haven't really looked into the Forex, I'd look into it with the TR pocket. You can use that as you want, but I just know my own way of the TR pocket. And this is the next play I will be looking for. And it'll be just on volume gap, trend line, and of course the TR pocket. I'm not going to be trading that, and it has to have the TR pocket in these. And the best thing about them, you take the trade, you can close it. You don't need to hold on to them. Because it was in Bitcoin or in crypto, I'd leave 20% run, because there is a potential that could be a low with a big runner. Could not care less with the Forex. You know, you take that trade, you get that 2%, you get that 1%, you're done. You know, you're done. So that's the best thing about this Forex. But I will be doing a lot more, and I will be doing a lot more stocks. But yeah, I'm going to pass it over to whoever is next. Jeez, this is actually overflowing now. Yeah, so who's next, lads? I'm not really sure.
It'll be me. But before we go on to the next one, we have 150 people in here, and we only have 20 likes. Come on, guys.
Oh.
Yeah. If we're gonna do those free sessions for you, give us a like at least. That will be really nice and help us out here. And if you have some questions or want to look over something, I think Trader already went quickly over silver. Maybe Paul can do that later on too.
Was there someone asking for silver, was there?
Yes.
Oh, really? Nice,
on YouTube.
nice. Just went over it, yeah.
Silver. Wow.
All right.
Paul, are you trading silver?
Waiting for I'm in a long position right from the lows. Yeah, I posted that.
No, I just remember you were trading it.
Yeah, no, I'm not in it. Not in any new positions, but the Gartley, I think from.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I think it's in October, November time. I'm still in the long. I want a bit higher on silver, personally, but we'll see.
Yeah,
I mean,
I thinking the exact same thing. Yeah,
good stuff. Yeah. And there's some Really nice.
Oh man, we just
stuff
hit
at the top.
64 likes in a few seconds. That's
Oh,
awesome, guys.
thank you, everybody.
That's
That's
nice.
fantastic.
That's nice. That's nice. That's a nice
Thank
little
you.
pump right there.
Awesome. Now we
Yeah.
Everyone hit it.
all
He's
right.
spinning the envelope. It's nice.
I'll hunt out the silver chart. I'll try and find that, guys.
I see Liquid turn up your mic, Eunice. I think I just turned it up a little bit. I hope it's better now. Let me know if it's better or not.
Oh, turn it down, man. I'm sick of listening to you.
Hey, I love you too, man. Anyways, okay, I'll just go ahead and switch the screen here. Right. All right. So firstly, I want to take it a little bit back. A few weeks back, I made a plan in our group. And I said the next zones I'll be looking for, as explained in tonight's close session, was a session with Trader R and Netso, I believe. I was looking for either a short, a reaction at the red box here at the 0.5 and a very high, or a long setup at the daily and a very low at 16,300, which was, this is just fairly simple TA, just waiting. It's a waiting game most of the time, of course, waiting for those levels to be hit and having that plan. So here's the plan that I make and I just share it with you. And next up, we have a swingers Sunday swingers update for everybody. So I said eventually we made our way into the value low right here. As previously talked about, in my opinion, this has potential to become a swing trade, such a swing trade long, of course. But for now, we can continue to trade the range as long as we can hold 16,400 support. And then an interesting note that I had was that the POC of the range, it was previously at this section here, but it shifted down after we had seen a lot of selling in this area. So that gave me a little bit more confluence of, okay, we have a lot of sellers going on here. And I was looking for that potential long setup. So that gave me a little bit more confluence. And then, of course, I had a little bit more confluence of that fractal that I Trader R already said before. This is also the fractal that I shared on Twitter. I'll go over that now. This is the fractal. So I shared in the group a potential bullish scenario as covered in the live session. So we were aiming for that higher low potential as the fractal had the same higher low here, and then making a move back up, something like whatever happened here. But yeah, that just gave a confluence for the long and a potential move to the upside. So next up, we had, also I had some target levels right here that we're looking for that I also explained into the sessions. So we're coming to the first target at 16,800-ish. And obviously this is a zone where we take profits. We look to take profit on our longs because it's resistance. So the update, first target hit, currently above the weekly, we're at a weekly level there. It would be nice to hold a support for another push up. Keep in mind, we do have a daily right above us, which could hold resistance. So we know there's a daily above us that's going to be holding, probably be resistance. And if we know that's resistance, then we can look for take profits or potential shorts. Next up, I also gave an update on the fractal. So we see the fractal is moving nicely with our plan that we made. The bullish scenario is following nicely. The bear scenario will be more clear if we do see a big rejection. So far, we haven't seen a big rejection, so I'm still remaining patient on the bear scenario. The bear scenario is shared within the group, but I won't be covering that tonight. So the fractal looked really nice until, it's still looking fairly decent so far, but we have to be patient to let it really play out and see if it's really gonna play out as it did. But yeah. So next up, I gave a fairly just an update in the group, just to give a simple visualization of what the market is actually doing, because sometimes people get confused what is actually happening. But if you just simplify anything, you can see, we're just doing SR flips, so resistance into support with a very nice reaction, resistance into support with another nice reaction. It's fairly simple. And what I said is currently hitting resistance. So we are hitting that daily, and I marked out the liquidity here that we are right below. So I know to look for a reaction in this zone for potential shorts or take profit. So we come and take the high, we take the liquidity. what I said was decent reaction on taking the last high, potentially finished an impulse, which could mean that we have ended a move here, and we could anticipate a corrective move. So what I say is, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have potential impulse here. We know that an impulse either starts at some kind of a move, or it ends a potential move. So, sorry, I just lost my train of thought. Somebody's just using their horn outside like a crazy maniac. Anyways,
No, it's you. I thought it's here. Nice.
Yeah, very nice. Like, what the hell?
Yeah,
but yeah, but
it's okay, man. You crushed it. It was amazing. Like, just I did not trade all too much over the holiday season, but just being inside the group and watching you in general rock the Elliott wave section, like nailing every move. It was crazy. Like the accuracy, I was like, damn it, I need to go back after holidays, and now I'm yeah,
it was fairly
loving
simple
it,
trading, even without Elliott waves. But I just use Elliott wave as a confluence, like right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know something is ended here because I already have this part of the trade, the section of the chart. So it's gonna be like, okay, it's probably something ended here. So what I was saying, but this will only become more likely once we change market structure. But I took some profit, as you can see on my long. I was long from the low here and then taking profit here. Fairly simple. But yeah, next up. Man, this guy is crazy. Anyways, here's a quick update on, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We were looking for a corrective move. Now we've seen some kind of corrective move, like a potential A, B, C, which could mean that, I mean, it looks like a nice 3-wave. So it could mean that we could see another impulse. So we could have like a zigzag, an A, B, C to the upsides. And the first target I would be looking for, to keep it very simple, is the 1-to-1 of that. And that's going to be at 1750-ish. So I'm still looking for a push up here. Can we get it? Maybe. Also a nice notice, we had this key level here. So you can see clearly resistance. We lost it for a second and then we came back above it and then we retested it and we saw a nice big bump again. So it looks like it's reclaimed unless we start to lose it again. So far it looks very nicely to push up again. And then lastly, I want to make a small announcement that obviously we have now the Elliott Wave Theory Part 2 in our library that is for our members to watch. We had some nice feedback so far.
Long-awaited Elliott Wave series, man. Can't believe it. It did not take 4 years, but we have it in what, like 3 months, not even?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, in the other group we were waiting for years and years and years, but here it is, two parts so far and maybe more parts to come. We'll see. If there's enough.
I strongly hope so.
Hey man, me too. Anyways, I'm gonna pass it on to Michael. Let's see how are the likes going.
Yeah.
87 likes and we have
Awesome,
150 people.
Come on, give us some more likes for Michael, guys.
Let's try and get 100. Let's see if we can actually get 100. That'd be kind of cool.
Oh, that would be crazy.
Let me just...
Then Trader R will do a dance for us.
Hey, if we get 100, I'll show Trader about Armor Harmonics and he can mock them. How about that?
Thank you, man. Don't do that.
This one, guys. I'll go over high time frame view on Bitcoin and a little bit of local support and resistance. You know that we are currently pumping up a little bit locally, but it's not a place to open along here for sure. But there were a lot of opportunities earlier on levels that were given inside the Pro Traders launch already months back. So I'll show you what I've been discussing also in today's daily live session with the traders in the Pro launch. So basically going over my high time frame view on Bitcoin and how to trade it. Just in case you don't know, we have about 14 live sessions inside the Pro launch where our Pro traders go over their thoughts on Bitcoin, stocks, Forex, and different assets. We also take requests and work and ask and answer your questions. So what I covered today basically was my high time frame FIP channel. Really important support right now. I gave this level already months back when we started. And you can also see now here locally how it plays out. We're here on the daily time frame. Basically, this is an extension from the all-time highs. So from the both highs around 64K down to the lows. And then we are at the 1.618 here, and you can see how well it was respected on the daily time frame, but also on the lower time frame. So what I told our traders inside the Pro launch is that this is the level I don't want to see lost, and as long as we hold it, I am looking for more upside. And you can really see how well respected the channel was, but also how well respected it was on the lower time frame. So if we look here, we also here, like in this, just in this little, very little area, you can see like how many little scalps this gave to the downside, reclaim to the upside, another little pump, lost again, backtested, resistance, 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 flipped, and then again backtested and up. So like 7 trades already, like only here in this little area, 7 scalps. You know that I'm a scalp trader, so only trading small moves and taking profit quickly. But high time frame channels work also very well on lower time frame if you get respective sells or speed of waves alerts into it, for example. So let's zoom out a little bit more, and I'll show you another level that was given out already a month before Christmas, which is basically this level here. It was on the 1st of December. I gave this level inside the Pro Traders launch. We were around here, and I told them this is a key level for me to reclaim for further upside or further downside. So you can also see here how well this level was respected, and again flipped into resistance, support, again lost, and also here right now we are still near this level, but we still did not reclaim it. So what was this key level actually? In this candle here, in this candle to the upside, we got a lot of aggressive buyers, big players defending this level. And that's how I marked it out basically in ATAS with speed of waves and a lot of aggressive delta here marking this level. And you could see how well it held. We also informed our traders inside the Pro launch how and where my next level is. So we got a similar situation here around 1760. So that's the second or the next key level I'm looking at. We got a lot of sells here in this candle, and both those little wave levels here, I'll teach you inside the Pro launch how to identify them, but both of them show bigger players, bigger market makers basically acting here with aggressive orders to push and defend this level whenever it gets revisited. It can give 2 or 3 trades. This definitely was one of the best levels of the last year because it gave quite a few trades here, and the respect is still amazing, even if it's already washed out crazy. And then if we are able to reclaim this after 16,800, I'm looking towards 1760. So next level for me to the upside, FIB channel 1760, where I'm looking for scalp shorts or a reclaim and a scalp long. Same here, 16,880 short. If we get enough longs into it, again, for example, I would not count on it, but I would rather like to see a little reclaim with a backtest of the key level 16,880 and then scalp along from it. So really important levels here. And again, if we lose the FIB channel, looking for a short on the backtest for higher time frame trades. So let's get this off quickly, and I'll touch on one other topic that I mentioned inside the Pro launch, and those are clusters. So cluster below us, and we got one cluster above us. And when we were around here in this area inside the Pro launch before Christmas, it was on the, I think I gave it on the 23rd on my last session inside the Pro launch of last year. And I told everyone we were around here. I would like to revisit this area, this little waves cluster. So again, here a block with aggressive sellers on the low. And you can see how well it played out. It perfectly went back into the little waves cluster and pumped up from there. So from the cluster alone, after the reclaim, we already got a nice 3% pump so far. And if we manage to reclaim my key levels to the upside that I mentioned before, the next big resistance here for me is around 17,700. So ideally, wick into 17,700 for a little short and then go towards more downside for me. So locally, I would love to see more upside until 17,700, where my next waves cluster is. And if you want to learn more about waves cluster or speed of waves or speed of tape, however you want to call it, I will give out my next I think it's in 2 weeks, educational lesson, a strategy lesson inside the Pro Traders launch, where I tell our traders how I trade reactions and how you can snipe entries using ATAS and the speed of tape. And yeah, that's it from my side. I'll check later on for any questions, and then I'll hand it over to Paul.
Thanks, Michael. Brilliant.
Hey.
Right. I'm going to go over some different bits and pieces. I think from our, I think mine and Emmy's morning live streams have become a nice place for us to search for different trades in different markets, while Bitcoin's been flat, for want of a better word. We've been looking at trying to find the trades, keep our idle hands busy. We found, I think this was from December the 13th, we found this one when we were scanning through our charts. We found something called Argo blockchain chain, and we just thought this was an interesting chart that was basically just a simple swing failure. With this, you can see the chart here. We posted 13th December, 11:12 a.m. And on that basis, well, I certainly did, and I don't know if other members in the group, we took a long on the basis of this, taking out the lows. It's magical quarterly level that we've been. I'll be honest with you, I picked up from Dookie as an important level, and we saw this, and we've had from the group and taking the trade, we've had somewhere in the region of a 500% move on this, and I have to say, it's been one of our best trades so far this year. But we're only 5-6 days in, but it's fantastic. It is brilliant trade so far, this one. So that was called in the morning session with Emmy. What else have we been doing? Let me have a quick look in here. Oh, today I posted in the group earlier on at 10:19 this morning. I've been watching Tesla. Obviously, is really had a big drop. Not a place to be looking to short, but I think you see here, I was looking for swing failure at this level this morning at 10 a.m. So obviously we to a degree swing faded one of the lows, but we needed to reclaim this area. And I think from today so far, we've had a move up from that level that I gave. If you've been able to take a trade, you're going to be up around 6% today. Okay, not a big move, but let's compare this to Bitcoin. It's something to keep your money working well, your paper money, that is, while you watch Bitcoin go sideways. What else have we been doing? I think we've also been looking at altcoins. I'm not going to go over them too much, but we've been pretty bullish on altcoins for the last couple of weeks. I've been posting about Litecoin probably back since August in the group, saying that Litecoin's going to run. We've had I think nearly a 50% gain on Litecoin and some of the other coins. One of the one I enjoy trading is Link, and we've given this setup, which is played out quite well. So this is a low time frame that I've given this level out. So I was looking for this harmonic to trade up to B, which it has done, but on a higher time frame, I do have a much bigger target on Link, which again I posted back when we took these lows. I'm looking for this Gartley Link personally, which is going to give us a significantly higher target than here. I do all this for free, give the target out, but I think you can all work out where a Gartley is what Gartley should give you. But can't remember, this is the public live stream, but I've given some targets in the group, and a Gartley, it looks good to me personally. I know people are very bearish on Bitcoin and things at the moment, but I can only trade the charts I've been given. Bitcoin's been exceptionally bearish compared to Litecoin. Litecoin's pumped 50%, Bitcoin's down probably 25% since then. So let's just trade the charts as we find them and not be fixed of the mindset that because Bitcoin's going down, the alts are going to keep dropping forever. That's what we've been taught to think. But if you look at the charts, we're getting different results to that. So let's just trade what we've got, and that's what I'm trying to do, and it's working. I think hopefully very well for some of the members in the group and for myself. So yeah, that's me basically with my few bits and pieces that I've been doing.
Nice one, Paul.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah. Hands back over to some interesting stuff there. So a bit contrarian with the altcoins thing. It's an interesting how that's playing out, guys, isn't it? That we're really bearish on Bitcoin, yet they've been moving significantly. Some of them, certainly over the last week. So yeah,
nice one, Paul. Let's see if we got any questions, else we can jump over to the Discord, open up charts and beers, and you can come up to the stage.
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna head over
with us now. Or have some questions there.
Questions inside there. Yeah, I'll pop over.
All right, perfect. Michael, can you post a link? I mean, the link is into the description of the YouTube stream. If you guys want to join.
It is?
Yeah, Discord.
I
believe so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
We're still live on YouTube.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're hopping over to the charts and peers. 1 second.
I was talking to you, Neo. I was. What's up, Wednesday? Long time no see.
Yeah, I was back in Europe and I'm finally back on the boat now. I can't tell you how happy I am. It's warm again. Sun is shining.
Back and forth. You missed it.
Yeah, exactly. And I even got Starlink now, so internet is all working.
Did you not get that beforehand, no? Or it didn't work or something?
We shipped it with a broken cable, and then they shipped a replacement unit back to Italy because that's where I originally bought it from. Yeah, long story. But now it works.
So you got a new one. Did they send it out for free?
That's the third unit now. Yeah, for free.
It's the third one.
It's the third unit I got now, but this one looks pretty good.
I still don't understand how it works. I know the way they have a satellite up there, but that satellite rotates all the way around.
4K satellites up there, more or less.
4,000 satellites.
Yeah, I think the goal is like 12 or 20. I don't know how many they want to bring up there, but
I have seen them in the sky. I've seen them once in the sky. I looked up and I saw a big row of lights, and that was the satellites just going around. It's kind of cool in a way, but at the same time, it's just like a bit odd.
Let's see.
Lads, if you have any questions,
everyone in here. Yeah, we got a few questions, I think.
Yeah, if you do have questions, would you ask them inside in the waiting room so everybody can see them? Because we're getting a few questions inside in the lounge. But let me see what this said. Okay, this is not a question. Paul, first trader would make history with a tattoo. Yeah, okay. They're just slagging Paul's harmonic setups.
I don't care. Look, if it works, then keep on slagging me. That's fine.
Yeah. YouTube is still on. Yeah, we know. It's meant to be still on. Capture both sides, the analysis and then the chillax version. So why not? If you have any questions
on YouTube,
you can join us if you want. Meant to be. But yeah, lads, how was your holidays?
Been a nice break.
Did you do anything interesting? Paul, did you leave the house at least?
A few times. Yeah, I did a few times. Yeah,
Did you touch some grass?
Oh, nice
I've
one.
been out. What's it called? Sledging with the kids and bowling and football. It's been good. It's been nice. It's been nice. Nice break, to be fair.
Yeah. I went out and I caught COVID after like 2 days. Same thing happened last year. The exact same thing happened last year. I went out 1 day last year and then boom, I got COVID. And then I went out 2 days this year. Boom, I got COVID. I was like, oh, for fuck's sake. At least it saved a load of money, you know, so I don't really care to save time. But yeah, it's probably going to happen next year if COVID's probably going to be still around. Where is Dualtext? Talked to him last week. Dualtext is around. He's around a bit. He's just busy. He's a busy guy. That's really it. What do you guys think of Bonk? Solana's meme coin. Bonk. B-O-N-K.
Never heard of it.
Really? I've never heard of it, but I'm actually going to look that up. B-O-N-K. USDT? Okay.
It was trending on Twitter, wasn't it? I think that.
Jesus, straight up. But like, that's just normal for... Oh yeah, it just came out. In Elliott Wave, it actually looks like a... Yunez would be praising this kind. It's probably going to go up, to be honest.
What is? Sorry.
BONK USDT has a 5-wave move to start off. You know, if you go into the 1 hour.
That's the easiest way to.
Well, actually, I'm looking on Huobi, so.
Let me know if my microphone is a little bit better now. I don't know. I've changed a few settings. Hopefully, you guys can hear me a little bit better.
Why, was there a problem with it? I didn't even know.
Apparently, some of the people can't hear me as well as others, but
that was probably through OBS. You know that.
Yeah, I'm changing some settings, but.
B-O-N-K. I must open up the
much louder. Okay,
YouTube.
Perfect.
Nice.
The YouTube chat as well. Put that on mute. There we are.
Don't want to be yelling into my microphone.
We're used to it, man.
Hey,
you
man.
just screeching through it.
F you, man. We're used to you singing into the microphone. Why are you not singing now?
Yeah. Have you heard anyone ever complain about my singing? Yeah. That's exactly my point.
Thankfully,
Better not
I've
hear
not
it.
heard you sing. I think most people have.
Yeah, nice one, guys.
You
You know, you can raise up your hand and come up to the stage if you want. Ask some questions or have some fun time with Trader R singing.
No, you don't want to hear that.
Hey, I'm not going to be singing for you now because you just said it was bad.
Do a duet with Trader R. I'll choose the song. Go on.
You give us a sample. Not after the insults I just received. I'm not going to be singing now. I'm going to be holding it back just for the people that appreciate it, you know, so fuck the rest of these lads here giving out to me about my
language.
We got a question from D. Dario. Hey guys, is it possible to trade ES micro futures in the EU, or do you need to trade SP 500 CFD instead? Which broker would you suggest to use?
In the what? In the EU?
There's a few.
European Union.
You can trade on quite a few different things, and some of them have their own.
There's loads out there.
Derivatives of it, and there's just to name a few. There's eToro, there's IG, there's interactive brokers. There's so many. There's FX.com. Yeah, I think you just need to shop around. Yeah, that's it.
Glad to hear the Trader R is feeling well and back on the Heineken. Well, like, if I was feeling well, I'd be on the Coors Light. It's just, so my taste buds aren't the same, so I'm on the Heineken. Any chance you could use an image of a pint to indicate a target on the chart? What you want me to do? Take a picture through the glass and the chart in the background of a target of Bitcoin. That's actually a great idea.
Trader, I'm going to buy you some nice beer one day, and you'll never look back.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, you'll never look back.
Oh really? What are you going to buy me? What are you going to buy me?
Some of that Belgian stuff. I mean, I can't believe that we've got a Belgian on. What's it? Belgian on here, and he doesn't drink Belgian beer. I mean, it's the best.
He's not. He's actually not from Belgium. He drinks wine, you know. So
yeah, I know. Well, that's not a bad thing. But honestly, if I was in Belgium,
yeah, basically what H. Paul is saying. You should be ashamed of yourself.
A little bit.
I couldn't care less. I couldn't care less.
Yeah. Okay.
See,
wait, do we find him? Let me keep an eye on this.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to come up today. They're all shy. Well, that's a good thing. We can end this early, and if no one comes up, then we can end this early.
Come on, guys. We don't bite.
Come on, guys.
Trader R usually doesn't, but sometimes he can.
What? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Doesn't what? He doesn't
How
what?
do I buy bonk?
Bite.
How do I buy bonk? I've never heard of that coin until now, but she's going up ever since I said she's probably going to go up. So she's up 15% since I said what?
Since a few minutes ago.
Well,
That was only a minute ago as well.
Damn it.
Oh, fuck. No wonder. Don't buy bonk, okay? It'll just look like you're pushing the market now.
Bonk. It says down 42% on my. What's going on?
I was looking at it on Huobi, so.
Oh man.
It literally just came out on Huobi, so. That's an Asian exchange. Tesla analysis, please. Geez, Dookie would love to be here, wouldn't he? Is Dookie here in the audience? Come up here and give us a Tesla analysis there, because you've been following it all week.
Yeah, exactly.
It looks good. It's all right.
We have Shelby raising his hand.
Simple as that.
Oh, Shelby. Is he in?
Hello, everybody.
Hello there, man.
So what's
How are
up?
you?
I'm
Hello,
doing great, thanks. How are you doing, guys?
Good. Did you have some
Just
good
wanted to
holiday?
raise my hand because it's me. Peter said that it's my turn, so maybe I should.
It is your turn.
Break the ice.
It's your turn.
Maybe I just.
Let's go.
I love it.
I don't know if the guy is here from the YouTube, but I just have to repeat myself. I mean, Trader R doesn't check DMs. DMs are checking Trader R. You can get anything here.
You
can get a.
You get me straight
You
away.
can get a pretty nice entry from 69k on Bitcoin, but you can't get Trader R checking his DMs. It's that easy.
It's tough work, man. I have to open the top left. I have to click on that red button which has 53, and I have to search through them all. There's no it's just tough work, man.
Mr. Famous guy.
But by the way, I just wanted
to I'll answer straight away.
I just wanted to ask everyone who is here to give some love to Lazy Cat because she shared a pretty deep story with us. Last time I wasn't here. I wasn't here last time because I was in Hungary to visit my family, and I just currently I'm here to go back in the DMs and messages, and also what has happened, and it just really touched me. Even without having the second glass of wine, it was pretty rough, and just show some love to Lazy Cat if you can.
Yeah, I just put it in the chat.
How are you doing, guys? How was your week?
Tough all week. I'll tell you that now. Tough all week. A lot of charts to be trading, a lot of trades to be taken.
You were sick this week as well, wasn't it?
And a lot of sleeping and lying down. That's my week.
Doesn't sound good.
For New Year for Pro Traders Lounge as well. So it's been a busy week.
Yeah.
Actually, I had the same, but I had COVID for more than 3 weeks.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I've heard that it is a mutated or some sort of other mutation.
You're mutating.
Yes, I'm mutated already again. Or
Any special powers?
I don't know if you mutate more.
It's a sneaky
Someone
bugger.
give me a
Actually,
bomb.
yes, it was something like more than 3 weeks. And it was, pretty rough. I don't know, it just didn't went away.
Hold on. Someone give me a bonk target. Is that a Heineken glass on the TR pocket, or is that a Coors Light glass? That yeah, that's what you mean. Okay, I like that. No, I like that. I'm in profits on bonk already. People are actually trading bonk now. Like, really? Let me have a look at it again. Oh, it's gone up a little bit more. What the fuck? What is that? Gee. Yeah, I wouldn't be gambling on that chart at all. No way you're trading it. It's lightweight. Oh, it just came out in Bybit. That's why you're trading. Oh, that's why everyone's asking about it. Okay, it came out in Bybit. Bybit. Can I check it on
Some guys,
okay?
some guy on the YouTube is yawning in the chat. We have already covered our analysis at the start, so.
Yawn.
The chart and beers is a fun session, guys, at the end for you. If you want to come up and talk with us, we answer every question. And if not, we'll do a next one with some
Ishmael, did you find the De La Soul album on Spotify that you were looking for so long?
Who's mentioned De La Soul? Who's that? I think I was looking for it on Spotify recently.
Yes, that's what I was asking.
Oh man, I haven't looked on Spotify for recently. When I have to listen to it on YouTube. But yeah, I love that album. It's not on Spotify, is it anymore? No, I don't know. Is it on there now?
Which album was it, by the way?
3 Feet High and Rising by De La Soul. It's an absolute classic, but I don't know why it's not available on Spotify. It is, some proper 1990s, 1980s. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's a classic album. It's brilliant. Yeah, you'll reckon up loads of tracks.
Have you Google that? I never heard that before.
Yeah. 3 Feet High and Rising.
Wait, what are you on about?
What's up, Wednesday then?
Yeah, it's an album by De La Soul. 3 Feet.
Man, you sent me on a Spotify playlist before, and I've never regretted playing something my entire life.
I promise you won't regret it.
Any music that you're going to actually send over to me ever again.
I've got everything on my Spotify.
It was like music in the 60s and the 70s. And
oh man, I've got everything. Honestly, everything. I'm an old guy, you know. I've covered a lot of eras. A lot of.
I know, but like, Jesus.
Got everything from. And everything apart from thrash metal. Sorry, thrash metal fans. Everything. Listen to anything apart from death metal. Honestly,
and it's still going, guys. It's crazy.
Is it? Wow.
Hold on there now. Hold on. It's up 20% now. What the fuck? Up a good 15% since. That's funny. That is funny. Gold took that. Oh, okay. Where's gold? Gold. Here we are.
Everything's pumping.
Again, I'm just gonna wait now and see if she's gonna swing fail or not. Got a decent on trade before that. I don't want to be giving it back. But yeah, let's see what gold does up here. Let me get the TR pocket ready there. From that high to the recent low. TR pocket. Get rid of everything else. Alright. I like the way though.
I can see still people coming in the audience.
Sorry, Shelby?
I can still see people coming in the audience, and I see Trader SR. So you got a competitor, Trader R. It's gonna be a Trader SR pocket.
Hold on. Trader SR. What's that?
Maybe he or she should also raise her or his hand, and maybe he can elaborate.
In the audience, we have a Trader SR. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Oh, that is nice little picture you have there too. That's actually kind of cool. I like that.
It's better than this stupid picture you have.
Hey, fuck you, alright?
Yeah.
Now he's raising his hand. You see? But she's gonna be coming.
Oh,
Let's see.
let's go.
In Trader SR.
Now I'm interested.
SR.
Hello.
Hello, man.
What's up, man? Trader SR, how are you doing?
What's up? Yeah, I'm fine.
The upgraded version of Trader R.
That's it.
No,
That's it.
Yeah, I mean, I got this name inspired from Trader SZ, a guy called.
Ooh.
Sec, hold on there. No.
Yeah, he's from London.
I'm just literally staring at gold. This is what I'm just going to throw it in the waiting room.
Yeah.
I'm waiting on the TR pocket. That's really it. I want to see what it's like when it gets up there. Does it reject? Trader SZ. Trader SZ is a G. I think I remember I followed him about a year ago or 2 years ago. I don't remember. Don't know.
How was your
really
week,
that well.
Trader SR?
I know who he is. He's like English
Slight
guy, isn't
version.
he?
The Trader SZ? Or,
Yeah, I know who he is. Yeah.
would you pull the TR pocket? Drop? Yeah,
Oh,
it's just above you, man. Literally just above you.
No, he was still typing while you posted it.
Oh, right.
Probably.
I like the way though. I updated when we took that low, and that was the low. Like I was saying, this is the first take profit. At least 50% you have to take off, and that was the low. Like so, it's always good when price bounces back off your first take profit. At least you got it done. But yeah, I'm gonna wait now for that TR pocket and see what happens there. What the fuck did H-Pod say? Yet the disappointment, if not... Paul, what is that?
3 feet high and rising. Apparently, it's some legal issues.
Oh. Is there a TR pocket you are looking at? What? What? It's just above you. That's the one. That's the only one I'm talking about. Unless you're trolling me. You're probably trolling me because I was just talking about is the 619 area. Let me have a look at gold again. See, the only thing about it is you have that liquidity at 1879. Like, what are the chances you're not going to swing fail that, you know? That's the only thing. Happy birthday. Oh, thanks, man. I think, man, I think that's the first one of the year so far. I think that's the first one of the year. Yeah, so thanks, man. I know.
His birthday every day.
You're all so nice, you know.
How old are you now? Like 94?
I'm
12.
about fucking 92 now at this stage.
Probably.
Keep going with these happy birthdays, I'll be dead now soon enough.
Did any of you guys trade that Silvergate Capital yesterday?
I bought that TR pocket that I gave out yesterday.
Some guys in the group. Well, you bought it, yeah.
Yeah, I was going over a TR pocket.
We must have done this in different sections of the chat because I didn't see your analysis.
You probably like. It was on the close session yesterday. I went over the.
Oh man! Did you see?
Look at this. No, Paul. Just look at how perfect.
No, just you look at this, mate. I'm going to show you something.
No. You have to look at this.
Let's have a trade-off on this. Look
at this. Look. You see the TR pocket on the other side rejected. TR pocket on the bottom side rejected. Again, like this is just your typical TR pocket deviation play right there, and you hit the 0.5 in either side. It's just perfection. Like,
look at that.
What is that? What are you trying to show me? Oh, this is Silvergate.
Silvergate, not Silvers. Yeah, Silvergate. Watch this, and then we got from
who
that.
Who cares about Silvergate, man? Silver is what you want to be looking at.
What percentage did it move?
Yeah, just laugh at that.
Let's have a percentage off.
Hold on there. Oh, no. That's probably like 50% because it went down so fucking low. How much is that?
Look at that bounce, man. Off that.
Michael, can you check the chat for a second? Sorry.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful bounce. Does that
Crypto Bank. Wait, we looked at Silvergate months ago, Paul, did we not? And we were like, Jesus, this looks horrible.
No, I think it was. No, I don't know.
It was Silvergate. Yeah, we were looking at that ages ago.
You dumped yesterday.
And we're like,
bad news.
We
Silver bonk.
Okay, is bank still pumping or what?
That was it. That was an amazing trade, though. To be fair, yesterday, I think some of the lads got in on that. But look at that dollar.
Man, Bonk is fucking flying it now.
Oh, wow.
Fucking flying it.
Nice one.
Who actually bought that there? I know one person, but that's up. Man, that's like 20% straight away. That's 22% since I said it. Wow. 22%.
Not short it though, can you?
I haven't a clue.
Bonk.
There's actually a meme for it. Oh. Fucking bonk. Oh, we got Quant Freedom. What's up, Neo? You're dead.
Oh, can you hear me?
What's up, man?
A long time no talk. It's been like
a long fucking time.
Pretty long time. Yeah. How you guys doing?
How you been? I've been good. I've been good.
Besides your COVID situation, you've been good?
Oh, battling through it, man. There's no fucking stopping me.
I know. I remember those days back in the day when you'd be up for like 24 hours just on the charts, just nonstop. So
yeah, live as well.
I'm very, very, very. I just heard about this group from somebody maybe like a week ago. I had no idea that you guys had made this, and so I was just so excited and so happy for you guys to have built.
Hey man, good to have you here.
Also, yeah. I'm happy to see it, and I'm happy to see that you guys are turning it into what the other group should have been. So, yeah, just here for the ride, and hopefully you guys take this to the level that I know that you guys can, because it's like all the best traders are in here, so it's gonna be fucking crazy.
That's it, man. That's fucking it.
Yeah, enjoying it and having fun most of the game, isn't it? And yeah,
that's really it though. Like, I'm just enjoying it. Like, I couldn't care less about it. I'm just having fun like, at the same time.
Yeah, that reminds me of all the days with me, you, and Doltex. We're just there, like on the charts, and just be burping all the time like Homer. We'd call you Homer.
We still do. We still do.
Yeah.
Oh, for real? That's still going on? Damn.
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's polite.
That's never gonna stop.
Jesus, lad. You think I don't have any manners? Like, fuck all.
You don't.
I had a long conversation with Doltex, catching up on what went down, and then I had a really long conversation with Patrick a couple days ago, and he told me to jump on this charts and beers, and so, man, like I said, I'm just really, really, all I can really say is like I'm just extremely happy for all of you guys, and just if the past is any indication of like what's to come in the future, like I already know that this group is going to take over YouTube, and it's just going to be amazing to watch everything and how it grows from here. So just really happy for you guys have come together and built this. So
really nice of you to say.
So,
that's
nice.
Thanks
for coming up.
Always good to hear something like that.
Thank you. By then I'll
do you have any other questions?
Wait, your mic sorted at the pod.
I don't know. I might get my mic sorted. Yeah.
Actually, how was that issue you had on the Mac? You said you.
Oh no,
is it still...
I'm still. Don't even get me started, man. So many hours of my day. Honestly, it's conspired against me. The sound.
Why don't you just ask all the people in here about if anyone has a Mac and knows how to set up a mic? H. Paul is willing to hear
for private sessions.
I will, yeah. Specifically with the OBS and monitoring it, and I've been googling it and trying different things. I've been having problems with using OBS and trying to get a monitor so I can listen to it through my headphones and not get feedback or rattling or whatever. I've tried all sorts of things. Black loop back.
Did you try turning it on and off?
Oh shit!
Oh, damn it, guys.
Shit.
Put it in the bag of rice to be grand.
Yeah.
What kind of fucking emoji is that? A fish. Screaming fish. I swear, some of these emojis are actually kind of funny. I haven't seen them before. Bonk TA. Is that the same one I'm looking at? Hold on there a second. See, I've always kind of known it's kind of like a fractal, but at the same time, it's kind of like Elliott wave. But when surprise does something as the lines of this, and it takes the fort, it goes up like that. Hold on, put in the picture. I've known this for a long time. It's kind of like a fractal, but it's always as well kind of like Elliott wave. I know Eunice will be like, that's just a 5 wave move, and correct. Well, it's just once you take that 4 wave and you hit the TR pocket, usually it does go straight up.
Looks like shit.
You can actually go fuck yourself, right?
Behave.
That sound better.
Behave. To hear what saying, behave. But that is something I've always watched out for. It's like it's easy to spot. Once go around looking at your charts and see how many times you see it. It happens quite a lot. Watch your mouth. Still going up. It's actually. Oh yeah, starting to go again. I was about to sing for you all there.
I'm out.
That's I owe you as a point. Shane 202. That's a nice looking beach there. Where's that beach? That looks something like Dubai, more like Bundoran. Bundoran. Never heard of it. Let me look it up. Bundoran. Bundoran Cinema. Oh, not a bad spot, man. Jesus. Looks really. Ooh. This actually. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. Is that in Ireland? Donegal. Okay. I was looking at it. I was like, this looks like Ireland. Oh, nice. Cavan is way better. Cavan is not way better. Jesus Christ, lads. Are we all fucking from Ireland? This is ridiculous. You can tell from the name, Shane, though. It's an Irish name. But yeah, lads, do we have any more hands up? We don't. And it's 7 o'clock.
Session.
You can call it a session or a day.
Yeah.
I need to head away in about 12 minutes. So if you want to call it a day, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I'll also jump off, guys. Thanks everyone for being here with us. If you're still on YouTube, join us in our Discord to see our TA live in time every day. We got like 14 sessions a week, 3 times a day, going over Bitcoin, stocks, Forex, and whatever you can trade and whatever has a chart, basically, and you get information live on time there and can ask questions about whatever. Plus, we have the long-awaited Elliott Wave series for you with Eunice and General, so I'm gonna hear more from them soon.
No, just me.
Nice.
Wasn't General.
Just
good.
No, yeah.
Fair
Cheers,
play,
guys.
lads.
Thank you for your time.
Have a nice weekend,
we'll catch you on the
everyone.
next one, so.
Thank you, guys.
Bye bye.